90% of traders don't track or review their trades, but it is the one habit separating the pro traders and gamblers. I've placed over 1,000 live trades since 2018 with a 90% win rates. Today, I'll share my statements and unfiltered P&L from last month. Traders, May 2026 has been a good month. Let's take a look at the statements. So this is May 1st to May 31st, 2026. We can see that in our equity options, we realized about, this is the realized column, we realized about 11.6K, almost 11.7K. That's from options. And on the future side, 11.2K. Decent. Total almost 23K realized profits. Let's take a look at what are the losers that we had. Most of the month were filled with winners, but I can see some negative numbers here. So I'm gonna take a look into why I lost 6,000 here in this CL trade. And also let's take a look at our equity options. SPY, I lost 1.5, lost 1.5 here, and VOO, I also lost 1.5. We'll take a look into what happened. And this one's minus 27 bucks. That's a break even. Let's ignore that. Let's switch over to our spreadsheet. So this is our spreadsheet. Let's scroll down to May. Let me filter the close dates on May. So I actually only had 7 trades, 6 or 7 trades this month. Take a look. I only want to select the trades that closed in May. There we go. Okay, so they're actually all winners. Actually, it says I lost some money though. Let's take a look. Okay, I see one. The loser, the 6.5K loser on the CL, it's part of a ratio spread. So actually the ratio spread made money. I made 1,400 on that ratio spread, so it wasn't a loser. So if we look at this, I only traded a few things this month. I only had 7 trades. They were CL, ZB bonds, and gold. Okay. So normally I have some ES trades, some SPY trades here. I noticed this month I didn't have it. Oh, I remember why. Because we kept breaking all-time highs and I didn't see any entries for any strangles, and I didn't really feel comfortable selling short puts on the ES when it's making new all-time highs. I was waiting for a pullback, so no ES for this month. Normally I do. And also this month I noticed I didn't have any currency trades, any Forex trades, which I normally do. So it could have been maybe even a better month, or it could be a worse month. We don't know. If we put on trades, doesn't mean it's always a winner. Even though my win rate is very high, it doesn't mean it will always be a winner. So I'm happy with the results. And it shows that you don't always have to have a position in everything in order to maximize your gains. And you know, some months you make more, some months you make less. This month I could have made more, but we do not want to be greedy. Okay? Be happy with your results. And the most important thing is, did you execute your trades properly? Did you follow your trading plan? That is more important than winning or losing. It's okay to have losers as long as you follow your trading plan. Okay. So actually I only have 7 trades. I'm very surprised that the month came out pretty well and there were no losers. There's 1 loser. So great month, no loser. We got lucky there. Okay. And on the So let's talk about what I can do for next month to make my P&L even higher. I want to look for Forex trades and ES trades. Now in June, we saw the pullback on the ES, so maybe there's some opportunities there. Okay, and I'll continue to do what I do. I still like CL because oil, the war is still going on and there's lots of opportunities to trade the oil. Bonds, there's always opportunities. I love trading it. Gold is nice. It pulled back quite a bit. And I think we still have a lot of opportunities to trade it. It's still pretty hot. All right, traders, that's it for this month's review. I'm overall pretty happy with the results. Next month, we'll probably see some losers because my win rate is about 90%. So 1 in 10 will be a loser. So let's see. Losers are unavoidable. They always come, but just control the risk. So trade small and trade safe.